of the Pasadena search team are back home this morning. They spent the past 8 days helping in the search and recovery effort in Montecito. They searched through sewer-soaked sludge and had to use surfboards and trash can lids to keep from sinking in all that mud there. They say it was difficult to leave knowing 3 people are still missing.
We still have a 2-year-old out there missing.
Don't leave. We all of us, our whole crew, we all work so hard together, you know, we'd stay as long as we needed to.
Caltrans says Highway 33 north of Ojai will stay closed for mudslide cleanup until early February. Now that rules out using the mountain route as a detour around the big 101 freeway closure from Carpinteria to Santa Barbara. Highway 33 from the 101 freeway is still open to travelers heading to Ojai.